Good morning, my NPP peeps. We got another gap down opening coming up. We closed below that 200 SMA yesterday. After testing this uptrend line here in the 10 SMA on Wednesday, Thursday, we puked, could not sustain the rally, closed below, and now today we're opening near the 2900 area, it looks like. Not even a good NFP print could stop this momentum down. So I am anticipating a retest of these lows at least. The lows are around 28.55. So once we hit that, I'll start to look for some sort of reversal candle. Ideally some sort of hammer that breaks these lows, but then recaptures this level with a hammer, and then wait for continuation the next day to then go in very small, some SPY calls. But we don't know where that reversal candle is going to happen. Will it happen here? We'll have to wait and see. Do we come all the way down and retest and test this 0.618 retrace around 27.46 and then start to reverse? Do we break those lows, come down here, retest this uptrend line from 2016, or do we just keep cascading down? We don't know. We have to wait and make sure that we're on the right side of the trade. So first level to watch is this 2870, 2855 area. See if we can hold those, get a reversal candle. If not, next level's here, then next level's here. At some point, we are going to get a monster bounce. I think even bigger than this bounce this week. So we'll be watching for those reversal candles and signs to start slowly getting in long with SPY calls and then adding on confirmation higher. But we need to wait first for a reversal signal. Some other stocks that I'm watching, I call it my Corona watch list. Let me show you the weekly here. This is RCL. It's a cruise line. This has been a really strong name for a long time. This is a weekly chart right here. As you can see here in the 2006 lows, we have a nice uptrend line that we're now retesting. So right in this area, 60, 62 and change, 61, is a really nice area to see if we can get some sort of reversal candle to signal a bounce. So we're going to be watching this area and paying attention to headlines to see if there is any positive coronavirus news, because if there is, this thing is going to bounce tremendously. So we're keeping our eye on this. WYNN is another one. It's been hit really hard with the coronavirus news. This trend line, it's still, if it wants to test it, has a little further to go. But even for a shorter term bounce, we're looking for some sort of reversal candle. Maybe it tests these lows and reverses. We'll have to just wait and see where that reversal candle happens, and then we can get long, smaller size, but long for a bounce. Another one that I really like is Delta. Is falling down. It broke these lows here. It looks like it's going to test this support zone right around 41, 40-ish, where it started breaking out to do highs in 2014, retested them, and then broke out again. It's coming back down to test those lows, test that support zone. We'll see what happens, see if we can get a reversal candle, and I think this is a good bounce play. Once coronavirus fears subside, we get some positive headlines. So we're going to look for that reversal candle and see if we can play this one for a bounce as well. Smaller size, again, but bounce potential. One last name I'm looking at is SHAK. Really like this name for long term. Not necessarily a bounce, but a hold. Like a 5 to 10 year hold. It's coming right down to the 200 week. This is a weekly chart, by the way. To the 200 week, right at this nice uptrend line. I still haven't talked to Arnaud about this, but me personally, I feel like this is a really nice long-term play to start legging into very small size, and then if it bounces, start adding in size as it moves up. That is our game plan. Obviously, being very patient, waiting for those reversal signs. They will come. It's just we have to wait and see where they come and how strong this move down is going to be. So I will talk to you guys Monday. Safe trading and ta-ta.